Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. The channel. In today's video guys, we're working here on a BMW guys 3 Series generation 2005-2013. And if you're trying to find the fuse for your engine computer for the ECM, we'll show you that today. So in the meantime, we have more than 200 videos on that BMW. Please subscribe for more videos. We will be constantly uploading videos about this car and other cars as well. So that BMW, depending on when yours was built, you might have 3 different fuse boxes. So always double check that you have the correct fuse box, like we have one here, and always again double check everything. Now the ECM, this is the engine computer, has a fuse, and that fuse is for the crankshaft position sensor for the ECM as well. Controls quite a few things. Now it's located under that cover next to the engine computer, so you need to remove this cover here. We have the video how to do it on our channel, so please check it out if you don't know how to do that. Just didn't want to waste your time if you know how to do it. So now you have that fuse panel, okay, right here. That consists of 5 fuses, and that fuse panel is inside that box actually, but we pulled it up so I can show you better, otherwise I cannot stick the camera in there. And you can pull it up to replace them by pressing that tab in and pull up around the cables and wires, so be very careful not to damage anything. Next, okay, we need to go ahead. Okay, you can see that clip on the side. Okay, we need to pry this one open a little bit. Okay, like that. And after that we need to pry the fuse box, that fuse box out. Okay, just a little bit at a time, don't go too much. Okay, and all 5 fuses will come out at the same time. Now this cover here, you slide it back, it has 2 clips here and one over here. So ours are already open, so I can show you. We slide it back, and the middle fuse, okay, in our case that 20 fuse is the one for the ECM, this one right here. So if you need to replace this one, you remove it guys, you replace it with a new one. We will have the video in the video description below to check out where we get our parts, fuses and things like that for a really good price, so check it out, check out the link. When you replace it, make sure that you install it, all of them are lining up. Close that cap, okay, you need to push it all the way in until you hear a click. We'll leave ours open because we're still making a few videos here for the other fuses. And later, connect it on the fuse box and press in. Okay, like that. And don't forget to install that fuse box inside the fuse box and put your car. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.